grabbing your attention to detail. I'm Aaron. We have got a 2026 Dodge Durango. We did a lot of work to. I want to show you around. Let's take a peek. Starting off hot on this 26 Durango, we did Durango stripes, custom stripes from the top of the sunroof all the way down to the bumper. We put these custom stripes on, custom vinyl colored stripes. We did the two main stripes with the two pinstripes on the side. I love that look. We did paint protection film on the front end. We did a partial front plus an upgraded full hood, custom bulked hood on the Durango. And then we did Icon Rocklear on the rest of the vehicle. This Durango is sick. So our custom bumper and partial fenders with a full hood PPF. So the full hood is covered in film. It's KDX PPF, 10-year warranty. All the edges are wrapped. It's 8 mils thick, hydrophobic top coat, self-healing. Then we did partial fender flares and partial fenders. So we stopped the film right up here. You can't really see it because it's a gray car. And then we did the entire front bumper in PPF, the headlights, the mirrors, and the front splitter. So that was all done in paint protection film. And then the rest of the vehicle got our bona fide 15-year warranted Icon Rocklear. Now, Icon Rocklear is sweet. It's a 15-year warranted coating that protects the paint. It's up to 30% from rocks, dings, scratches, scrapes. It's really, really strong and really, really protective, but it's not bulletproof. It's not paint protection film. That's why we did the front of the vehicle in paint protection film. And our Icon Rocklear is up to 25 times thicker than any ceramic coating in the world. It's up to 75 times stronger and up to 30% glossier. All lab tested results as well from a North American lab, so that's pretty sweet. And yeah, this Durango is just sweet. So starting off on the exterior, we did a full prep. So what is our prep? It's about 17 hours of prep work. We start by doing a full foam wash on the entire vehicle. We clean everything. We clean the rims, the tires, the wheel barrels, the wheel wells, the Brembo brakes. We clean everything. Then after that, we take a detail brush. It's very similar to like a makeup brush, and we go around every crack and crevice. We're talking window trims, we're talking all the black plastic trims, in between the door jambs, behind all of the handles, inside the gas tank. We move the mirror backwards and forwards. We clean everything in between all of the letters, all of the accents, even in the hood scoops, everything. We detail brush everything, get all that dirt, grime, debris dislodged basically from all the cracks and crevices. Then we do our decontamination. So for all of our paint protection film, we do an iron decontamination to remove any iron particles, brake dust, and road grime. And then we do a clay bar treatment. The clay bar treatment is a manual decontamination, removing any embedded contaminants in the paint. Anything you can't really see with your eyes, but you can feel it with your hands, we remove that with the clay bar. It makes the paint silky smooth. Then we take it a step further with our Icon Rocklear on the back half of the vehicle, doing our Icon Rip. Icon Rip is a manual process. We take Icon Rip, the chemical, with a dual action buffer, and we remove any of the deeper swirls, deeper scratches, and any sealants, waxes, ceramic coatings that could be on the paint existing. We remove all of those with Icon Rip. Then we tape it off, bring it into our booth. Booth is dust controlled, temperature controlled, mopped and swept twice a day. It is literally the cleanest booth ever. It's exhausted as well, so there's no fumes, and it's always 70 degrees in there. And then once we bring it into the booth and we do all of our taping off, then we do a light solvent prep to soften up the paint before we coat it. Now, the biggest difference with Icon Rocklear between that and a ceramic is that ceramic coatings, once they're applied, we wait about 5-10 minutes to buff off or level the ceramic coating. With Icon Rocklear, once we apply it on, we never actually remove it, which is the coolest part about it. Once Icon Rocklear is applied, it is self-leveling. It's the world's first self-leveling coating on the market. So once it's applied on, it self-levels, you're good to go. 15 years of protection. It is awesome. So the client has full front end protection from rock chips, dings, scratches, scrapes up to 99% with our 10-year warranty KDX film. And the back has a 15-year warranty on all of its Icon Rocklear. If you have any questions, you want to get your vehicle scheduled, book a consultation with us. We'd like to meet you, shake your hand, and actually talk through the process, give you a tour of our shop, see the current condition of your paint, and go over your goals and custom to your own vehicle and your budget. Give us a call to book your consultation where we walk you through the shop, 219-533-8783, or visit me on my website, www.attn2detail.info. Now, we are in Highland. We are the only attention to detail. We are in Highland. So make sure we're right off of the boulevard, 41 and 45th Street. If you want to get your vehicle coated, protected, and properly PPF'd, come to Highland. Thanks so much for watching. Aaron with Attention to Detail out, and I'll see you guys on the next video.